The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good morning, fellas. Guys, good morning. Happy Thursday. There's the 8 o'clock bell. Guys, today, as a reminder, is our last day in the room. Adam, good morning. Eric, guys, good morning. Barry, fellas, good morning. Today is the last day in the room. I am off tomorrow. For those of you, I've emailed those of you whose trials will continue next week. Those of you whose trials are ending today, I want to thank you for coming in and seeing our new indicator. It's been a pretty dang good week. We had one bad day, I guess. Tuesday was kind of ugly, but Monday and Wednesday were really good trades. Algos and the bots have traded well all week. I want to draw your attention. NVIDIA reported yesterday. I want to show you guys something. And good morning, Brett. Pascal, good morning. Watching order flow this morning. You know, they say somebody always knows, right? Here is a 209 contract overall contracts purchased at 327. A couple of smaller blocks, 37 and 20. But look at the volume point of control. 814 contracts were bought here, and 193 contracts were bought in the ensuing bar. But look at the block size. Somebody bought 464 contracts. Good morning, Hubba. Somebody bought 464 contracts in one block. A couple of 50s, a 40, and a 464. In the ensuing candle, somebody bought 149. And then we go up to 650. We have a 301, and somebody bought 290 contracts. Yeah, must be Mimi. These are not retail trades, guys. So this morning we have core PCE. Volume is heavy. 101,000, almost 102,000 contracts have traded. So we're well above the 68,000 contracts that have traded, or our average. And we have 3,000 net buyers in the overnight session, of which I've just shown you 1,400 of them. Half of them came in 3 trades. Somebody always knows. So we have a Fed speaker at 9:15, a Fed speaker at 10, continuing an initial jobless claims at 8:30, along with core PCE. Doesn't matter what the price is at this point. We're well above it. But the point is, you can't hide block trade. You cannot hide trades of that size, right? For those of you that do not understand order flow, those are contracts that have already transacted. Those are not a pending order or some other thing. Those have transacted. So tell you what, going to Eric's comment, let's do this. Tell you what I'll do. Gave me an idea, Eric. So 329.75 is where the first blocks came in. 329.75. This is where the first blocks came in. And the second blocks 331.75. So 331.75. Here's where your buys took place, guys. I mean, I would say somebody wanted the contracts, right? Hang on, guys, 1 second. All right, fellas, I'm back. So that's your two areas where the buyers came in. Okay. They sold puts on NVIDIA for tomorrow. Eric, I know you don't trade order flow, and I'm going to kind of cut it off here because I'm not going to do order flow education at this point. They didn't buy 1,000 contracts to trade it for 10 handles or 15 handles. Okay. Somebody knows something. We'll leave it at that. In any event, let's get on with it, guys. We have news at 8:30, so let me read the disclaimer. Nancy Pelosi, exactly. I don't think she trades futures, though. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them. In order to invest in the futures and options markets, do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, guys, real quickly. And some small selling. I don't think this is going to be tantamount to a whole lot here, but we have sold every day. Looks like the 15-minute wants to sell. Buyers right back in.
I've got the 15-minute shorts as well. It's right there off of your buy zone, right? Where they bought that 30 contract or 1,000 contracts.
Yep. I think here we go. See if we get a pullback, guys, ideally to 39.25. I'll take a 39.25 on the pullback. I don't think we're going to get it, but maybe. If not, order filled on what?
It's crude.
Oh, crude. Okay. All right, I'm going to take it long here, guys. Come on, bounce. Let's go. Come on. Are you kidding me? Buyers, let's go. I'm not going to hold this a whole lot longer. Let's go. Nope. Jesus, 30 sellers here. Literally 30 sellers. I'm flat.
Order filled.
Literally 30 sellers. Fucking open got me every time. Don't have it in a short.
Next target 750. Looks like 755, 756 area. YM. And there's ES. ES is an 0750 first target.
Yep. ES went long 01 half. If anybody took that, I don't know what Greg's entry was, but I gave 01 half.
Okay. Fair
What
enough.
was
I'm
your
in
entry?
350.
Oh, okay. Anybody long ES? NASDAQ's going to go too, guys.
Order submitted.
500 tick is long now on the algo.
Doggone gold. I missed that. Damn it.
Stop filled.
We're starting out the same way that we started out every day this week. First target only. 500 tick is going to hit stop here.
Order canceled.
500 tick is out.
46 was a big break.
Target 2 hit.
15 minutes.
Yeah. They're coming into some support here now. 39 breaks, we get 29 half next. If 22 breaks, if you're short, this gets blown up.
Target filled.
ES got another target on the short. 300 bucks. I will be shutting off the original bot if this gets target because it'll be over my daily goal of $1,000. Oh, the trail's off. There we go. There's the break of 22. Next target down, I now have on NASDAQ. This is yesterday's close, 187.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
I have another one down here at 04.
Another target?
Yeah,
Okay,
get there in a hurry.
Target filled.
there it is.
Canceled.
It's done for the day, guys. Couple of trades up 1835. I shutting it off.
Target order canceled.
ES now 3 for 3. Got a $2,000 runner here. Well, we had. Okay, ES now up 450. We just bounced yesterday's low. Doesn't look like they're done selling it to me until it gets to 72. Anybody holding NASDAQ still? I have a 72 and a 54.
65 as well.
72, 65, and 54. See you Monday. I won't be here tomorrow, Mike. See you Monday. Remember, it's a new link, guys. There's $2,000 on the runner. $2,200 on the runner. There's my 72. Greg 65 is next. Welcome, Eric.
Order filled.
I am flat, guys. Well,
Order filled.
I'm flat.
So anybody still on YM? I am going to drop my stop on crude a few ticks down to this 92.
Okay.
We're below some levels here. This 88 is pretty good resistance now. So 92 stop on crude. I do not have any targets on.
Yep. I'm still short too. All right, guys. They're starting to buy him back off yesterday's close. Let me just adjust a couple of charts here.
Look at that gold. Oh.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, got some targets there.
Think about a long on the, well, you don't. Never mind.
On what?
Yes.
Hang on, I'm trying to get another account here. I like NASDAQ longs too.
I don't have it yet on NASDAQ. I'll follow you in wherever you say, but I don't have it yet.
It really has to get above that swing at 33. Wow, gold. I wasn't watching gold.
I missed it completely.
Holy Nikes.
And I had a setup on it. I mean, till after it already happened, though. I'm not in it.
Yeah, small net sellers here, fellas. You've got a short on the NASDAQ at 91.25. It's a trade. It's not.
Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled.
Keep coming, big guy.
Target filled.
There we go.
Come
All right, algos are all short, guys.
Order canceled.
Algos are all short.
Order canceled.
Got one off, target one only there. That hasn't hit a target yet.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Target one only on 0.3. 3-1 and 3-3 targets are hit. But here's another. I mean, this thing just keeps getting winner after winner. There's a winner. Huge winner here. Another winner here. $500 tick, now down 170. 3, 1, 2, and 3 are all green. And the ES algo I have shut off for the week, it's up 600. That's basically the year. I mean the month. I haven't done totals yet on the ES.
Nice one.
Now let's go tag yesterday's low. We get to yesterday's low, I'll probably close it out there. I don't know. We could get to 138 here, fellas. We can get to 140. Watch a pullback now below 32. It's got to hold there. It did. For now,
Order filled.
I'm flat. I'm flat. It's not coming back far. The if you guys look at the 1 minute on the market structure, so here is where that trade came from. This white line here, all the way down here, that's your resistance, right? Right here. That's, you see how we lowered overhead resistance? I took the long through there and traded it right up into that imbalance. It couldn't get through. It's going to get through. Easy peasy. It's going to go through that. We're down to 2100 now on the negative delta. NASDAQ is going to work back up to 100 area, 192 and 232 today, my opinion. But I think that's where we're headed. The selling's done. We're surely headed to 138. You got a long in here, Greg?
I don't. Your 15 was genius.
Well, so genius that I sold it.
Well, I mean, to profit. Game.
Anybody still holding that 15 long?
Watch this ES at 94 quarter. If that pops, it looks like it could get to.
So stop is 26 quarter from 02. So you still locked in 24 handles. Ah, shoot, rat bag. It broke structure. It's gonna come back and test this halfback. We're still gonna get to this area here, 91, 92. Now I'm looking for a place to get in long again. I'll take this 33 long. Still 33. I could aggressively take 24 quarter, but 33.
Order submitted.
ES just back tested that line in the sand at 90. I think if Greg's 94, is that your entry 94, Greg?
On ES?
Yeah.
94 quarter.
If 94 quarter pops, I think you can get to 15 target one. What's your first target?
I would take something off at 6,000 even to 99.75, that area. But ultimately, I think it gets back up to 13.
Guys, I'm going to, if this triggers, I'm going to try to get to 44
Order submitted.
for a target one. Now, if this takes out that low at 21,100, that low swing, this works back down to 050, I think. I'm not taking any shorts. We're trying to squeeze higher, is what it looks like to me. I don't know what Greg sees, but
170 needs to get out of the way. I think you're. a good run.
Let me, every time I go to do this for you, Isaac. Here it comes.
Order filled.
All right, guys. I'm long too. All right, Isaac, I sent it. Man, you cheap. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Am I getting lag? No.
I think so.
No, I'm not. Come on, big guy. Let's go. Don't give me that lower high BS. Pop this 33, 34, and let's do it. Let's do it. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, we've got buyers here. I like it on the 3-minute. I just don't know why she won't push. They're buying them now.
Order filled.
They're buying them now, baby. Now I'm getting lag. All right.
Order filled.
I'm flat. Net positive. It's trying to go, guys. They're buying them. We have buyers here.
We got nat gas here in a few seconds. Nat gas, cover your trades or be careful.
Nat gas. Let me go back to natty gas. Nat gas is April, right?
Yes.
Okay. Because copper is May. Looks like
Well-
natural gas wants to pull back.
Well,
You got natural gas in longs. How about above 16? 4016 on natty gas.
no, that sell they broke right down into a sell zone here at 92. So I think it's going to come into 63-ish before it goes long, but I agree with you. But let me talk you off of it.
Order submitted.
What time is it? Oh, 10:30. It must be out.
It's out. Yeah.
Well, it was a non-event. I saw a blip.
Yeah.
I mean, it bounced a couple of ticks. Man, that's a weak natural gas report.
Didn't do much.
Didn't do anything. Wow. All right, guys. Back to a couple thousand on the negative delta. Is there anybody today that is not making any money? Do I have anybody that's down? there anybody that's losing money? Okay. It's always the pre-market bonanza. Yeah, I mean, listen to this video. Hang on one second, guys. For the purposes of the video, I'll give you guys totals.
Order filled.
Just bear with me 1 second. Algo 3.1 up 270, Algo 3.2 up 385, 3.3 up 190, the ES up 600, the 500 tick up 340, and the original bot up 1835. So it's been a really dynamic week for the bot.
Target filled.
Does anybody have any questions, guys? Again, I apologize for any inconvenience, so everyone is aware. Going forward, I will have a computer at the River House. So when I'm up there, whether it's for a week, a day, a Friday, whatever it is, I'll be able to work up there, trade up there, etc.